Sarah is a 30-year-old woman who weighs 180 pounds. She needs 2,100 calories a day when her basal metabolic weight is calculated. She is looking to lose 1 pound per week over 30 weeks to get to her goal weight. How many calories should Sarah decrease each day to lose 1 pound per week? It is important to note that women should not go below 1,200 calories a day, and men should not go below 1,500 calories each day to maintain health. You should consult a doctor for your specific situation before reducing calories or significantly changing your diet. Sarah should cut out 500 calories per week to lose 1 pound per week. Remember that there are 3,500 calories in a pound. 3,500 divided by 7 days in a week is 500 calories cut per day. Sarah should eat 1,600 calories per day to lose her 1 pound a week goal.